Welcome back. Now, as stated in an earlier video, if you want to change the appearance in your videos, you're going to use the themes. So for example, if we go into the themes area, you're going to see that you have 3 different themes or appearances for your WordPress website. And all of these themes have a name. Now, you can find other themes by going to the Add New button. And then you can find themes that are going to be compatible with the Gutenberg editor. And you can use the search features in order to find one that has the features that you want. To do that, you'll go to this gear. That's going to open up into several different filters. And you can choose the kind of filter that you'd like to use. And then you can choose the features as well as the kind of layout that you'd like to use. Once you have the filters you want, you can then click Apply Filters. You can then choose from the available themes, and all you'll need to do is you'll need to then check the one that you want to install. You can preview that theme by clicking the Preview button. This will show you how the theme is actually going to look. Once you do that, you can then click the Install button. Once you do that, you can then click Activate. That theme then will be on your actual site. And so that you'll be able to see what the site will look like, you can then click Visit Site. And this will show you what your site looks like unedited. Now, although a theme may be compatible, not every theme is going to help you to take advantage of the features of Gutenberg. What you can do is you can go to this Latest tab. That'll show you some of the latest themes that have been made available to the WordPress community. You can then also try and test these themes by previewing them. And again, the same process takes place. If you like the theme, you'll just click the Install button. The theme will then be installed. You'll then want to activate, and then this will then be your active theme. All you'll need to do is to visit the site, so you'll be able to see how your site is going to look. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.